Hi guys! For tonight's dinner ay susubukan naman namin kumain dito sa Escobar Steakhouse sa may Quezon City. Since na sa area lang kami ay nag-decide kaming puntahan na rin itong lugar para matikman. So hindi nga pala kalakihan yung place, bali 2-story siya and ito lang yung parang nasa second floor. So we have to wait like 15 minutes to get seated dahil medyo maraming mga naka-reserve na. So ayan yung ilan sa kanilang mga siniserve at ito naman yung kanilang menu. After a few minutes ay dumating na yung in-order naming truffle pasta. Good thing hindi kami umorder ng platter dahil malaki na tong serving nung kanilang single serve. Ito yung fries and dumating na yung in-order namin USDA ribeye. Ayan siya guys. Kung makikita nyo napakasimple ng itsura niya pero ang sarap ng pagkakaluto guys and it arrived just how we order it. Medium rare. Malambot, hindi tuyot at juicy yung meat nung kanilang steak guys. Worth it yung price na binayad namin dito. Kita nyo naman guys, taob lahat ng in-order namin. So it's a yes for us dito sa Escobar's Steakhouse. We will definitely go back here to try out their other menus. So that's our experience. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in our next videos.